Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all of you are fit and fine in home. So, today we are going to study the next portion of chapter perimeter and area. So, let's see. So, we are going to study today about circle, how to find out the perimeter of circle and area of circle. So, first we will see what is circle. So, here we are seeing circle. A circle is a round closed shape. Okay. So circle is a round closed shape. So here you are seeing this is a circle. It has one center. So the distance from the center to this circumference this boundary is always equal. So this boundary of the circle is known as circumference. This is the boundary. This boundary is known as the circumference. So let's see. The circumference of a circle refers to the distance around the circle. Okay. So the circumference of a circle refers to the distance around the circle. Okay. So this is the distance which is surrounding the circle, and this is known as circumference of a circle. Next, after circle, then what we have seen, that the distance from the center to the center of the circle to the circumference at any point, that is always equal. Wherever you will find that is always equal, and this distance is known as radius. So let's see what is radius. Okay. So radius is a straight line from the circumference till the center of the circle. Means if you are taking a circle, it is the distance from the straight line distance, or you can say it is the straight line from the circumference till the center. Okay. So if I write it as a O, then OA is a radius. If I write this B point, OB is a radius. If I write like this, OC is a radius. If I write like this, OD is a radius. When we join two radius, we will get a diameter. Means here OA, OB, OC, OD, all are what? Radius. Okay, plural of radius is radii. Okay, but when you see this DC is a straight line which is passing through the center. That's why DC is what? It is a diameter. Diameter is always what? Twice of radius. Okay. So here two radius join to form what? A straight line, and this straight line is known as diameter. So diameter refers to the line from one point of circumference to the other point of circumference. Okay. And it will pass through the center of the circle. So this is about our circumference, radius and diameter. Okay. So circumference is boundary. Radius is the distance between center to the circumference, and diameter is the twice of radius. Okay, or you can see any straight line which is by touching one point of circumference to other side of circumference, and it is passing through the center of the circle. Okay, so these are the terms you have already studied. Okay, and circumference is also what? This is the boundary, means it is the perimeter of circle. Next we will see pi. Here you are seeing the new term, that is pi. Pi is a Greek word. Okay, so pi refers to the ratio of a circle's circumference to its what? To its diameter. Okay, so pi is what? pi equal to circumference. If I'll write circumference as capital C, then by d, diameter of the circle. Okay. So let's see, pi equal to circumference by diameter. So if I'll find circumference, then diameter go on this side, then what will, this diameter is here division, so here it will become multiplication. So circumference equal to pi into diameter. So you can write diameter as d. So diameter is what? Twice of what we have studied. Diameter is always twice of radius. Okay. So d equal to how much? 2r. So pi into 2r means circumference is what? Circumference of a circle equal to how much? 2 pi r. Or you can write perimeter of a circle. When somebody is asking perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r. So perimeter is circumference. Okay. And pi is always how much? Pi's value is 3.1416 like that. But always you write 3.14. This is the value of pi. Let's see some examples. So example 12 of your book. What is the circumference of a circle of diameter 10 centimeter? Take pi equal to 3.14. Pi is always how much? 3.14. So let's see what we will write. We will write it as, so what it is given? Diameter. So write, solution is what? Diameter is what? D equal to 10 cm. So for circumference, what is the circumference? Circumference formula is what? 2 pi r. For this we need 2, pi value is given, r we need. So here d is given means you can find out r. R equal to how much? D equal to 2r means r equal to how much? D by 2. If d is twice of r, then d is twice of r, then r is half of d. So r equal to d by 2. D is how much? 10 by 2 centimeter. How much you got? 5 centimeter. Now you got r. Let's find out circumference. So circumference equal to 2 pi r. What you will write? 2 into pi value is how much? 3.14 into r is how much? 5 centimeter. So how much you got? You got 31.4 centimeter. The circumference of the circle is how much? 31.4 centimeter. Okay. Next example you see. Example 14. The radius of a circular pipe is 10 centimeter. Okay. So one circular pipe is given. Okay. So this is one circular pipe whose radius means what? This side. It is the radius. So the radius is how much? 10 centimeter. What is the length of the tape required to wrap once around the pipe? So a tape need to what? It required to wrap. Wrap means you need to cover around the pipe. So you have that this circular pipe has this type of band, and here what is there? That radius is 10 centimeters. So you have to wrap length of tape. So you have to wrap like this. If you are wrapping like this, what is this? This is the circumference. So it is asking what length of tape is required to wrap once around the tape. So once means once around the tape, once around the pipe means it is the circumference. So let's see. Answer is what? circumference of pipe. We need to find out the circumference. Circumference of pipe equal to how much? 2 pi r. Okay. So 2 into pi is how much? 3.14 into r is how much? Here written 10 centimeter. So write 10 centimeter. So this is how much? This value is 62.8 centimeter. So what you will write? Hence, what length of tape is required? Hence, 62.8 centimeter is the length of tape, length of a tape required to wrap once around the pipe. Okay, so this is the answer. So here when you are wrapping, what you are getting? You are getting the circumference. Next it is given example 15. Look at here. Find the perimeter of the given shape. Here shape is given. You have to find the perimeter. So here look here. This is a semicircle. This is a semicircle. This is also a semicircle. And this is also a semicircle. And here it is forming what? This is forming a square. Because here 40 centimeter length. Here also 40 centimeter length. So here given find the perimeter of the given shape. Okay, so look at here. So what is semicircle? We'll say semicircle. Semi means half. Means semicircle means half of the circle. So here it is a semicircle. This one is a semicircle. This is also a semicircle, and here it is also a semicircle. And in between this is what? This is 14 centimeters. So we have to find out the perimeter of the given shape. Perimeter of the given shape means this one, this one, this and this one. Okay. So look at here. Here this is what? If this is half circle, then this is diameter. This is also diameter of this circle, this semicircle. This is the diameter of this circle, and this is the diameter of this circle. So all the diameters are what? 14 centimeter. If diameter is 14 centimeter, then what is there? We have to find out the radius. Radius is how much? If diameter is 14 centimeter, here d equal to 14 centimeter, then radius equal to how much? D by 2. It is 14 by 2. That is 7 centimeter. So let's find out here given circumference of circle. So we'll find out circumference of one circle. Circumference of circle equal to how much? 2 pi r equal to 2 into 22 by 7. Here what it is given? You take, here it is given, take pi equal to 22 by 7. So we'll take here pi equal to 22 by 7 into r equal to how much? 7 centimeter. So look at here. 7 is cut. What we have got? Perimeter of circle equal to 44 centimeter. If perimeter of this if the perimeter of full circle is full circle, this is the perimeter, means circumference of full circle is how much? It is 44 centimeter, this perimeter. But half is how much? Half means what? This is the half. If perimeter of full circle means circumference is the what? Perimeter of full circle. Okay, so now we'll get perimeter of, or you can say not perimeter, circumference of half circle or semicircle. Half circle or semicircle is equal to how much? Half into 44 centimeter equal to how much? 22 centimeter. So circumference of one semicircle is 22 centimeter. How much circumference we have? Semicircle 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you will write? Perimeter, hence perimeter of the given figure equal to 4 into 22 centimeter. It is how much? 88 centimeter. So what you had done? You had first find out the perimeter of or circumference of full circle, circumference of circle, then circumference of semicircle, then circumference of perimeter of this area. This figure means perimeter of this figure is what? That circumference of 4 semicircle. Okay, so this is about your example 15. Next it is given example 16. Sudhanshu divides a circular disc of radius 7 cm into 2 equal parts. What is the perimeter of each semicircular shaped disc? So here what it is given? Use pi equal to 22 by 7. So pi's value is also 22 by 7. If you will divide 22 by 7, what you will get? 7 3 is 21. Okay, 2.072 is 14. Sorry, 1 here. 7 1 is 7, 3, then 0, 7 4 is 28. Like this you can get 3.14. Okay, so let's see. Here it is given Sudhanshu divides a circular radius. This is circular disc. He divides. It is the radius is how much? 7 centimeter. Radius is 7 centimeter into 2 equal halves. What is the perimeter of each circular shaped disc? So you have to find out the perimeter of circular disc, not circumference. Circumference is from this side. This outer side is circumference. You cannot include this one. But perimeter you have to include this half circumference and this also. Okay. So first find out the circumference of this circle. So circumference of the circle is of circle equal to how much? 2 pi r equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r is how much? Radius is 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. So cut 7. How much you are getting? 44. So this full circle circumference is 44. But we need this half. So you will write circumference of semicircle equal to 44 by 2. 44 centimeter by 2. How much you got? 22 centimeter. You got 44 by 2 equal to 22 centimeter. So you got semicircle means circumference of semicircle. Now perimeter of this you can write perimeter of each semicircle equal to this area. This is how much? Not area, this half circumference of semicircle, that is 22 centimeter, plus this is what? This is the diameter. If radius is 7, diameter equal to how much? Diameter equal to 2r, equal to 2 into 7 equal to 14 centimeter. So you will write here 14 centimeter. How much you got? 36 centimeter. So this is the solution of example 16. Next we will see area of circle. So here this is a circle and it is divided into 64 sectors. It is divided into 64 sectors, means here it is divided into 64 parts. If you will open these 64 parts, what you will get? You will get a rectangular shape. And here this one is, this length is circumference and this breadth is your radius. So you can change this circle into a rectangle, and where this circumference is length and this radius is your breadth. So area of circle, how you will find out? But as the whole circle is 64 sectors, on each side we have 32 sectors. The length of rectangle is of 32 sectors. Okay, which is half of the circumference. So here, if we will find out the length of the rectangular, if we will join this, what we will get? We will get 32 sectors. So area of circle is how much? Area of rectangle thus found. So area of circle is area of rectangle thus formed, that is length into breadth. Length is how much? Half of the circumference. Okay. And breadth is radius. So half of the circumference is what? Half into 2 pi r. 2 pi r is the circumference and radius is r. So now you will see, cut 2, then what you will get? Pi r square. So area of circle is how much? Area of circle is pi r square. So this is the term you will remember. So what are the new terms you have seen? That you have already known. Radius, diameter. Diameter is how much? 2r. Means diameter is twice of radius. Then circumference, what you got? Circumference equal to 2 pi r. Okay. And pi is always 22 by 7, or you can write as 3.14. So these are the values you need to remember. Okay. So let's see some examples. So diameter of a circular garden is 9.8 meter. Find its area. So here diameter given. So our area is what? Pi r square. We need radius. So what we will do? We first convert the diameter into radius. So solution is d equal to what it is given? 9.8 centimeter. So r equal to how much? D by 2. Radius is half of diameter. So diameter is how much? 9.8 centimeter by 2. So it is how much? 4.9 centimeter. Next we will see area of circle equal to pi r square. Pi r square means pi into r equal to how much we will write? Pi is 22 by 7 into 4. R is how much? 4.9. We got 4.9 centimeter into 4.9 centimeter. Okay. Sorry, here meter is given. We will put meter. Okay. 4.9 meter and 4.9 meter. So what we are getting? The answer is how much? 75.46. What you will write? Here you will write meter into meter is equal to how much? Square meter. You will read it as meter. You don't read as meter square. It is square meter. Means you write as meter square. Meter to the power 2. But you will read it as 75.46 square meter. So this is about that one example. Next we will see example 19. Okay. Here it is given. The adjoining figure shows two circles with the same center. The radius of the larger circle is 10 cm. The radius of the smaller circle is 4 cm. So for larger circle, radius equal to 10 cm, and for smaller circle radius is 4 cm. Find the area of larger circle. You can find it area of larger circle. How much? It is pi r square. So you can write as that number A, area of larger circle equal to pi r square equal to pi is how much? 22/7 into larger circle radius is how much? 10 into 10. Okay, 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. So it is how much? You can write just 22/7 as 3.14 into 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. How much is the answer? It is 314 square centimeter. So this is the area of larger circle. Then we will see area of small circle. Number B, area of smaller circle equal to how much? That same pi r square equal to 3.14 into small circle, that radius is how much? 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter equal to how much? It is 50.24 square centimeter. Now what we need to find? We need to find that third one is what? Number C, the shaded area between the two circles. Okay, this is the shaded area between two circles. So we have to find out this area. Okay, so for finding this area, what we'll get? If we'll subtract the larger circle, area of larger circle with area of smaller circle, then we can get this area. So what we'll do? Number C, area of shaded portions equal to how much? Area of larger circle minus area of smaller circle. Next to write down, put equal to area of larger circle is 314 square centimeter minus area of small circle equal to 50.24 square centimeter. So what is the answer? Answer is 263.76 square centimeter. So this is about the what? This is about circle. Circle's perimeter, or you can say circumference of the circle and area of the circle. So you can find out the area of the circle and circumference of the circle by the given formula. Okay. So this is about today's class. Thank you all.